This is the night flight of the Syma x11. We've got 2 red taillights, 2 blue headlights, 2 blue eyes. So the red taillights are extremely important to me in the dark because I need orientation. I know where the bushes and stuff like that are, how far to stay away from them, but to know which direction this thing is going, I need those lights to be spaced out so I can tell which way it's headed. Now I'm going to bind this one on my hand for what I think is level. And I'm going to fly it on high rates, 2 beeps. Back here a little ways. Oh yeah, the wind is hard. Hardcore wind. Come down. She's pretty gusty. X11, take a licking and keep on ticking. Blow the dust off her. Now, I'm going to try not to go so high up in that hard wind. It's difficult not to, but we shall endeavor to persevere. Fight that wind. You can do it. Whoa. That was a maneuver, boys. The wind is blowing her, but it can do it. That's a pretty good gust. Oop, got in the bushes. Well, I'm surprised it can fly this good since the high rate is only about 60%. But make do with throttle management. Fight that wind. She'll fight her. The wind is actually your friend if you don't go in it the wrong way. Keeps it up high without a lot of power. You can do it. Oh, almost made it. Now we're running a 380 milliamp battery. I have 500s, but for maneuverability, I prefer the lighter battery, and the original battery is a 200. Well, we got a pretty good wind now. I don't know how much battery we got left, but we'll keep pushing on. Let the wind cool it a little bit for a second. Fight that wind. You can do it. Oh, you can sure do it now. Hit them brakes. Get into that wind. Come on. Yeah. Whoa. Hit them brakes. Oh, didn't have enough oomph. Wanna go again? Okay. That's pretty good wind. You can do it. Full power, Captain. Get into it. Come on. Come back. Whoa. Lost the camera. Got too excited. Love those lights. Less wind over here. Let's see what we get. Do some calm flying for a second. Not too calm though. In low rates is only if you're in the house, walking the dog or something. Yeah, she's not recovering well now. Need more room to maneuver. Even though it's in the headwind. Ate a bug.